Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Huringa.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for Ramco Cements. Right now Ramco Cem is the ticker name, and this is the monthly technical chart of the stock, and this is the historical price chart of the stock, and these are all the technical indicators that I am using to do the technical analysis for the stock, and these are all the graphs generated by the technical indicators related to the stock. And we have data here since 2014 onwards up to 2017 November 10th for the stock to do the technical analysis. Okay, then if you look at the price historical path pattern of the stock, the stock has been started moving in upward direction since February 2014, and after that it consistently made a new highs. Though there are a lot sideways movements, but if you look at the new highs, high 1, new high 2, new high 3, new high 4. Okay, so far it made new 4 new highs after February 2014. Okay, then there are a lot of sideways movements spanning a few months, and again here and right now also this stock is undergoing some sort of resistance, price resistance here, and it is unable to cross that 750 level, and it is struggling there since quite a long time, actually since January 2017 to November 2017. The stock has been struggling to cross this level, 730 level. Okay, so right now, but the overall fundamentals of the stock are good. And right now, since the infrastructure industry is also booming because of the government policy, so the stock has add a little bit of more potential to its existing potential. But once it crosses this price resistance barrier, I think the stock will zoom up. But we need to wait and watch. We need to wait and watch. Cannot right now it cannot be considered a long-term investment. But once it crosses the barrier, this is a price resistance barrier, then we can consider this stock for long-term investment. So until then, we need to wait and watch. But you can go for short-term trading, because there will be ups and downs until then, until it crosses the price barrier. So we will. This stock has already crossed its 20-day moving average, and 50-day moving average also it crossed. Right now, it is under the influence of positive super trend mode. These are all good points, but if you look at the momentum is quite down. It is crashing down actually, though it is playing on top of the baseline. And relative strength of the stock is also down. Look at the ADX, direction strength of the stock is also down, though it is looking up right now recently, but overall it is down. And if you look at the green line and red line, I mean both are converging here. That is also bad. Look at the trade volume. Trade volume is surging. See, that's what people have believed that it will cross the barrier, and then they are creating. I mean, they are making the base. They're making their base. So right now they are buying and purchasing the stock, at a low price, because this is the time where you get the stock at a low price. And once it crosses the barrier, the moment it crosses the barrier, it zooms up. So that time, you will get benefited. So based on this particular strategy, buy and hold strategy, people are accumulating the stock right now. That is the reason the volumes are surging. And look at the stochastics. The slow line is on top of the red line clearly, and the slow line is on top of the fast line. That means the red line is on top of the black line, and the black line is about to cross the red line, but it is yet to yet to do that. I mean, we hope it will do, and but both the lines are playing down. Actually, they are at the midpoint right now, 50 level, right? So they are playing at the midpoint. We need these lines to play above 80. Okay, so many points. I mean, all these points are throwing negative signals. So at the moment the stock is down, but once it cross the, we need to wait and watch until it cross the barrier, the price resistance barrier. Then we can then the stock will zoom up and crossing reaching. I mean, once it crosses the resistance, that 737 resistance, then it will zoom up to 1,000 within a span of few months. So if you guys are interested, I mean, if whoever is interested, you can start accumulating. But people who wants to go for a wait and watch mode, so they can do that also. The conclusion for this stock is, like, I will put this stock in wait and watch mode after as per me, I put this stock in wait and watch mode. So until then, I mean, we'll come back to the stock later after a few days, and then we will see. Okay, so Until then, this we'll keep this stock and wait and watch more. Okay, guys, this is the analysis for this stock. If you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.